Alrighty, let's go over a quick review of these Corsair headphones. Wanted to show you guys what they do instead of putting them on my head. So right here you have this cool swivel on each side. It allows you to lay them down flat like this. You have Corsair logo right here. On the bottom of this one you have your controls. You'll have your power button, your mute mic button. You have your charging port and knob control. Flip these back out. You have very soft cushion, very large cushion I think for a set of gaming headphones. I'll show you what they look like closed up. That's the size of them closed up. This is the size of them out. You have a pretty sleek microphone right here. It isn't too large. It doesn't look very goofy. And again, when you want to fold them back up, fold them down, and you can lay them flat just like that on your desk. We've had great sound out of these. No complaints whatsoever. The best quality that you can get from Corsair.